Okay, today, Thanksgiving Day, we're going to take a look at a Zippo. Now this one arrived in a little bit different packaging. It's nice that they're sending these things out in a paper sleeve to cover the box. Now this one is labeled Z Flame. Just a cardboard little sleeve. Now this is a really nice kind of a soft velvety type presentation box, and it's also labeled Z Flame. And you can see it's like a really fancy little box. Zippo satin inside, and there is the Z Flame, big Z, red flame, and the Zippo logo on the bottom. Now this is a two-part plaque. You can see that plaque. Now this one doesn't sound that great because of the plaque on there. It's pretty muted. And this one's was made in March of 16 in Bradford, PA. Of course, it's made in the USA. It's brushed chrome on the other sides, kind of a mirror polish on the small sides. Now the fit on this is not exactly 100%. You can see the kind of a mismatch right there. Right where the two plaques come together, it's a little bit off. Still, it's a pretty nice Zippo. I'm not going to fire this one up. That is the Zippo Big Z, or they call it the Z Flame, in the presentation box. And since this thing is made entirely in the USA, it definitely deserves cowbell. Knuckle bump.